How to play ranked matches in Delta Force Mobile. In this video, I'll show you how to play ranked matches in Delta Force Mobile. In the upper right corner, you'll find the Settings tab and the Ready button to start a match. To begin, simply click the Ready button in the bottom right corner. This puts you into a queue and starts a match. At first, you'll play a few normal matches. After some playtime and a few completed games, you'll start leveling up. Above the Ready button, you'll see that Ranked mode unlocks at Warfare Level 3. So keep playing until you reach Level 3. Once unlocked, you'll be able to choose Ranked mode before entering a match. You'll then be matched with teammates and opponents at a similar rank. And here's a bonus tip. If you're looking for a VPN to improve your connection or change your region, you can use NordVPN. The link is in the description, and through it, you can save the maximum amount. That's it. Now you're ready to start competing in ranked matches in Delta Force Mobile. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.